Hey everyone, Coach Andre here at Anytime Fitness, Young and Elgin Mills, and today I want to talk to you about the different pulleys you will find on cable machines in the gym. Now we have two different variations. Usually one is a fixed pulley, so think of it as the pulley on top. All it does is, if we are pulling the cable down, it allows the weight to move up, right? So we're just changing the direction of force being applied. The next one is what is called a compound pulley, and that means we're adding a movable pulley to that fixed pulley. And what that does is it gives us a mechanical advantage. If we have one movable pulley, we get a 2-to-1 mechanical advantage. If we have two compound pulleys, we can even get a 4-to-1 mechanical advantage. And there are a couple benefits of this. One benefit is it cuts down on the amount of force that we need to produce in order to lift the weight. So think of it sort of as distance traveled. If I pull this cable 4 feet, the weight only has to move 2 feet up. And that also means we are basically applying half the force. So right now I have 10 pounds stacked on here, but because of the 2-to-1 mechanical advantage, I'm only applying 5 pounds of force in order to move that weight. If we think of it for certain exercises that require less weight, like face pulls or external rotations for the shoulder, it allows us to basically just bring the weight down, make it a lot easier, and allow us to do those movements that we can't always do with a regular fixed pulley. The other benefit of the mechanical advantage is because, like I mentioned, we are cutting the distance traveled in half. It allows us to do movements that require way more range of motion. So if you think of something like a half knee on chop, right, we are moving the cable through a very long range, really long distance. And with the regular fixed pulley, what will usually happen is the weight stack will top off at the top. Really annoying when that happens. With a compound pulley, 2-to-1 or 4-to-1 ratio, where we are extending the range that we have to work with. And last but not least, because we're reducing the distance of the weight stack being moved, we are technically also reducing the velocity or the speed that the weight stack is moving, which means less inertia. And if we're doing a very explosive movement, like an explosive chop or explosive pull, since the weight stack is not moving as quickly, it basically decreases the inertia and it will avoid having the weight jumping up and down. So it just makes it overall a better experience, way more comfortable. If you guys found this interesting, let me know. I would love to shoot some more fun fact videos to let you know about different things in the gym. And as always, just give me a thumbs up, leave a comment in below, and I'll talk to you soon.